Why consistent experience is irreplaceable. So the sooner you do anything, not even just in cannabis, whether it's any business, skill, sport, anything, the sooner you do it and you more you stack that experience consistently, the further you're going to get ahead of everyone else. And you're going to start outgrowing the people in your class. So if as they start falling off and you keep persisting, there's going to be less and less of those peers competing with you. And then by the time the next group of people come up, even those people at the head of at the head of their class is going to be lacking in the actual practical experience that you've had. So if that makes sense, if you're talking, let's just use a 10-year scale here. If you've had 10 years of experience, and then you have the best of the person of the generation coming out in your field or expertise comes out and starts, nipping at your heels. The one thing that they'll never have on you is that 10 years of experience. And no matter how many skills and this and that they have, as long as you keep an open mind and continue to learn, you can always acquire those same skills that they acquired. But they can never acquire that 10 years of experience that you have a head start on them. They can go and get their own 10 years experience, but by then, if you're consistent, you'll have 20 years of experience. The thing is, that's why it's all about the consistency on your experience. If you go get a little bit of experience here and a little bit here and a little bit here and a little bit there, but you only do a year experience, you're only going to have a year experience. So anybody that does 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience is going to have more than you. So my point is, this rule only applies if you're going to be doing this same thing over and over and over, year after year after year. So that's what I've been doing with cannabis for the past 2 decades now. I've been involved with the sale of it somehow, some way. And the majority of this time, it's been in the medical gray area. And California had a lot of gray area laws for quite a while. And by 2017, I had one of the first state distribution licenses. So I've been fortunate enough to have this experience since the gates opened, since the starting day. The licensed industry started January 1st, 2018 in California. I've been fortunate enough to have the experience since day one, not only amongst our peers of companies and people involved in cannabis in California, but in other states as well. So states such as New York that just legalized in 2022, that's clear 4 years, almost 5 years that we had on New York. So that's all experience that New York will never have on us. We're always going to have that 4 to 5 year head start. Plus the 20 years of medical that we had from 1996 to 2018 ultimately. Back to the point, experience is irreplaceable. So choose wisely what you want to spend your time and focus your energy on, because that time is the one thing we can never get back. You can go make money in ways that you can never imagine, in times that you can never imagine, in ways quick that just pops in your existence and you're like, holy shit, a week ago I would never have expected this of happening. And these things have happened to people and it's not unexpected. And I'm just saying that if you allow it to happen in your life, some really unexpected things can happen. Don't ever discount your time or experience in replacement for money, because you can always get the money, you can never get the time, and you can never get the experience. Make sure you're spending your time wisely to obtain the experiences that you want to consistently grow and build upon. So that'll wrap it up for this video. I hope you have great experiences, keep stacking them on each other, and we can all lend some great knowledge and experience to previous generations and other peers and other people in the world, and help people that everyone's going to be specialized in their niche. So you specialize in your niche, they specialize in their niche, I specialize in my niche, and we all play a part and everybody lives peacefully. And so that's really the thing, is just get really good at the one thing that you do, maybe 2 things, and then do that and just do it well and do it consistent. Best of luck to everyone out there. Check out the website, highchris.com. We got the Cannabis Brand Building Masterclass coming out in 2023. So be sure to put your email in on the website for the newsletter so we can alert you when that class comes out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.